Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys everything that's new on the summer dress room press update. I will be showing you just the items though. Some of them I don't have it yet because I need shells for it. As you can see, these are the new free items that they have out front. They have the swimming suit, these pants, this I don't know what this is, like a bubble. It looks like a cute, like you blow like bubbles out of them. I don't know what I'm saying. There's this shirt. There's just like a bunch of stuff. These are reworked. The like skirt, the one that I have on right now. You can also put on the pool floaty here. The Mary Janes are now, I guess, the same as the ones we had before, but the socks are reworked, and I think they're super cute. And there's a summer bag. The ice cream is also reworked. The coconut, I don't think is reworked. The flower is here. There's these new items which you need shells to purchase. I don't have any of them now. I can purchase this, but I'm just going to hold on until I get everything. For the VIP, it's actually not a lot because these are reworked. These are reworked as well. And this is the one that we had from the spring update. We have this like chain, and then the skirt, this top, this set, and then these earrings. Let me just change the color here. Okay, cool. And then we also have stuff from the Baddie Pass. As you can see, they're in the dressing rooms if you got them already. I'm only up till level 8. I will need to reach level 30 in 60 days. So I still have like a lot of days I still have 2 months. But I don't know like how I'm going to get these shells for these items as well, I suppose, because for the walks, you also need shells, which, well, only for one, I guess, for the My League walk pack. The rest is Baddie Pass exclusive, but still, I think I'm just going to prioritize the items first. Then here, as you can see, these are the ones that I have from the Baddie Pass. Also, the trendsetter dress is now reworked. As you can see, there's just the skirt, the one with no ruffles with top, and top with no ruffles. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.